Word processor, part 6, file tab, print. Now we are going to talk about how to take print. Okay, how we are going to take a print. Here you can see that we are having 8 pages and currently we are standing in first page. You can see about 5522 words are there inside this file. So now we are going to explain how to take a print. Okay, so for that you have to click the file. So there you are having a print option. Okay, so click the print. So already all these things we have explained in the early videos. So if you have any doubt, you can go through there. So click on this print option. So when I click this print option, so you can see the window will looks like this. So here what you can see here is that this area, okay, the area the here it is showing is called document preview. Okay, it is our document preview. That means what are all the document, that document is then which document we want to take the print out. It shows the preview means a small view it is showing here. So here it is written as we are having 8 pages are here currently. First page is here. Okay, so this is second page, third page, you can see this fourth page. So here it is showing like this, you can see here. Okay, likewise we can see the page or we can check the page before going for a print. Okay, otherwise what happen if you are not checking this one, if you are not going through this preview document area, what happened, some mistake will come while taking the print. Okay, so before taking the print, definitely I recommend you to please go this review section, and this area we will call it as a printing option. Okay, so you can see a lots of options are here. Okay, so this is the printing option. So this is the scroll of this area, the printing option. So this here we will set the printing document, how the document we want to get print. Okay, so all these things we have to set over this printing option. So in the printing option you can see the copies. So copies means you can see that you can make not only one copy is possible to take a printout, you can make a lots of copies here. So you can type the copy number if you want 100 copies of this document, or if in your class if you are having 50 students and you want a worksheet, suppose it is a worksheet, and if you want to take the 50 copies of this worksheet, if you want to print a 50 copies, so definitely you can directly type the 50 and you will get the 50 copies of it. Now next one is, this is the printer, which printer is connected to our laptop or the computer or any other devices, which printer is connected, so that printer details are shown here. Okay, next one is print all page. Yes, we know that in this document we are having 8 pages. Okay, how many pages we are having? 8 pages here. So they are asking whether you want the copies of the all pages, that means all 8 pages you want, or sometimes in between only a one paper. Suppose you have already taken the copy due to some problem or some raining or something happened, third page number, the page third get teared off or some damage happened, and you want to take only the copy of that third page only from this document. In such situation you can say that no, I can custom print. Okay, that means custom print means if I click this one and I can specify, no, I don't want the entire print, I just want the print of this third page only. Okay, so only one copy I need. So likewise you can set it. Okay, it's not compulsory to take the print of the entire document in the cases when you want only a single page printout. Okay, so this is all about the printing mode, the pages of setting the print. Now next one is print one-sided. That means you know that when you take a print, if you take in the case of your textbook, you can know that in the both side of the page you are having the copies, means printed is there, isn't it? So prints you can see that. So that is called one side is there, both side is there. See, both side means it automatic, the printer get flipped, the paper will get flipped and the both side print can be taken. Very important, that is pot orientation. Okay, this orientation is very important. So orientation means the way how the document we need to get print out. Okay, how to get printed. So it depends upon the content only. So here you are having two options. Okay, you are getting two options. One is portrait orientation and another one is landscape orientation. If you carefully check this icon, you can see the difference over here only. See, in the portrait orientation, your page, the content, okay, the page size do not change. You know, if you are placing the A4 page, so the page doesn't reduces or grow up. Okay, so everything is depends upon the content of the file, the way they need to take the printout. So here you can see that the here the content is taller, you can see this, and here what is showing, it is a reduced form. It is not taller, it is shorter, but it is wider, isn't it? So width is increased. See, same content, nothing, content will not get break, nothing will happen, but the only thing is that the way how it get printed will get changed. So here you will get the content printed in a taller format, and here it is like a wider, it's a width, it is a shorter format. Okay, so here if you observe the preview, you can observe the changes when I click here. Now it is a portrait, so it is the normal way how it is printed. If I click on the landscape, observe this one, when I press this landscape, yes, you can see the difference. The width has increased, isn't it? The width has increased. The content are spread over there, okay, and it get shorter, isn't it? So let's see again, observe this area, this preview area, you can observe this. If you want is a longer type, so you can see this, see. What happened? The width decreased. Or in the case of landscape, what happened? The width increased, or we can say it as an horizontal display. Okay, it is an horizontal display. And if we talk about the portrait, it is a vertical display. And this is all about the margin. The margin that you would like to, the margin increases. Okay, if I say it is a narrow margin, so you can observe this one. That's why I'm telling you, always whenever you are changing the printing option, you should take care about this document preview area, otherwise mistakes will come. If I say narrow, so what happened? You can see this, the margin is very narrow. See this margin. Okay, and it is a normal one. This is the normal margin, you know about that one, and this is the moderate one. And if I select the wide one, you can see that the margin is very wider. See, so likewise only, what are all the settings that you are making here, likewise only the print will come on out. And finally, if everything you have set, you just click on the print option. Now let us write this in your notebook. Questions and answers. Question number 1. What are the two types of orientation? Answer. 1. Portrait orientation. 2. Landscape orientation. Question number 2. How the portrait orientation looks like? Answer. Here the file content is taller than its width. It is also called a vertical display. Question number 3. How the landscape orientation looks like? Answer. Here the file content is wider. It is also called horizontal display. Thank you, children.